AI trading and trading bots are now very popular in crypto that they're now starting to dominate even crypto Twitter. Everybody has this vision of having their own AI agent or AI bot that is doing the trading on their behalf while they focus on other things or doing their job or building something else. And this is a reality because I've been making videos myself on OpenClaw and CloudBot and so many other systems that can be used to automate trading in very different ways. However, I have to be honest here that many of these systems that I've been making videos of or others have been promoting or excited about or showing on YouTube, let's be real. Most of those systems are not for beginners. They're pretty daunting to a lot of people. They seem very difficult. It's not beginner friendly. It's very technical. So in this video, guys, I want to show you an easier way, the easiest way you can set up your own AI bot without difficulty. You don't have to be any technical at all. And also you don't need to code anything. And you don't need any extra stuff. You don't need OpenClaw. You don't need Cloud. You don't need anything else. You can just go onto your trading platform, plug and play. Within 5 minutes, you're ready to go. And you will be surprised when you see what is the solution here. So this is on Bybit. I don't know if you guys know, but Bybit has had a lot of trading bots and copy trading for a long time, but they were all pretty much manual. But right now, they actually have trading bots that are AI powered or they have AI functions in them. So I'll show you an example of something that you can set up. I set up one about 3 weeks ago. I gave it $100,000 and it has been profitable on a specific coin, which I'm also more than happy to share with you guys why I had set it up that way. So let's go to trading. If you go to futures or first of all, by the way, you're going to need to have a Bybit account. Bybit is basically one of the best trading platforms for crypto out there. If you don't have an account, use the link in below this video or in my bio. The link in my bio will take you to my website, Great BTC. And don't just download the app or sign up just typing it on Google. Literally use this exact link. It's a referral link so that you can claim all the bonuses or the welcome rewards that come from the partner link like this. So do it within YouTube. It's below here. And within X, you go to link in bio, and then you take advantage of all the goodies that comes with it. The next, you have to fund your account with money. You just click on deposit here, and you deposit your crypto, or you can deposit cash. Make sure you load your account with real money, and then you're good to go. And the next thing you're going to do is you go to tools, and there is copy trading, there's trade GPT, and there's trading bot. I want you to go to the trading bot. And once you get to the trading bot, you have different types of bots. So this is where a lot of people get confused. They don't know which one is more important for them. I like to use this futures grid. If you want to trade futures and use leverage, then you need to choose the futures grid. If you just want to buy and sell at spot without any leverage, then simply use the spot grid. But both of the strategies that I will show you here are available on both. So I prefer futures because I can use some leverage. So I'll click on that. And then you'll see that number one, your funding account could probably have zero money. So you have to click on transfer. When you click transfer, it will allow you to move your money from your funding account into your trading bot account. And then after that, you select which pair do you want to choose. So in my current position that I have, I'm trading TAO. The reason with TAO is that it's BitTensor. It's one of the most popular projects in crypto right now. It has all the good and bad things going on at the same time. It's being promoted by a lot of people in Silicon Valley, but also it has a lot of FUD. So it's being dumped a lot. That creates a lot of volatility up and down, which makes it easier for this type of bot that we're setting up to work. So we're setting up a grid bot on futures, which means it'll be putting orders to short or to long. And then whenever the market moves to certain percentages, it will take profit. So it can open multiple positions and keep on going perpetually. So you go create, and you have to select which one you want to go. You want to go with the AI strategy or manual strategy. Here, I'm going with a AI strategy, and I'll have to remind you here, make sure you select the right token you want to trade. If it's Tau, you have to select Tau here. If it's BTC, you put BTC. I want to trade Tau. And then I want to go neutral. I don't want to go either long or short specifically because the long is great when the market is bullish. Short is great for market is bearish. Right now I want to go neutral so that it can still trade the little price movements that are going on in the market at the moment. And then you give it an investment. I'll just put an example here, $100. Could be 100,000 if I was doing it a real experiment. I mean, a real trade. And then here you have all the other things that you can also select. Trailing stop. I like my trailing stop to be at 10%. This just means that if you're at 10% up, then it's better for the bot to keep that trade open until it reverses. So you can put 10% or you can put 5%. If you're very conservative, it's up to you. Depends on how you like to trade. But I like 10% because on a leverage position, that is pretty much, I think it's a good range. Entry price. You don't have to, you can specify when you want to start entering, or you can just leave it alone. I just uncheck all this, trailing up, trailing down. I don't bother to do this so much, but if you want, you can set all these parameters out for yourself. And then after that, you basically just click on create bot, confirm, and you're ready to go. And then if you go to my bots, you can start to see you have one bot here that is going on. You have the price range of $219 to $321. So where does the AI comes in here? On a manual system is that you would have to set up all these grids by yourself. But in this instance, the AI is able to make some adjustments based on market conditions and so on. So it has some features that allows for flexibility, looking at market conditions. It can pause or cancel trades depending on what's going on, or it can change the parameters for take profit, or if there is let's say, if there's bad news, for example, that is happening towards the token, the AI could decide to just close the position and not take anything at all. That is the beauty of it. That's the difference between the AI strategy and the manual strategy. And if you want to terminate it, you just click on here, terminate. And here you can see the details, and you can see that you have 37 grids. That's basically how this works. It's neutral and it's 2x leverage. If you want more leverage, obviously you can go to the details or create a new bot, and you can put the amount of leverage that you would prefer. But I would suggest to anyone out there, you try this for 30 days and see how it works out for you. You can do it on BTC, do it on ETH, and do it on Tau or whatever coin that you like, and then observe how it does for 30 days and compare it to what you do and how you perform. And then after that, you can let me know what you think. All right. Again, I will see you guys tomorrow. Link for this is in the description for this bot. Other tools that I used for trading include Command Print, but you can find everything that I use on my website, greatbtc.io, including if you want to book me for a one-on-one call consultation, you can book it right here. I can help you with anything you need to make sure that you get started. So the website is greatbtc.io. You can book a call right here. And also all the links of things I use for AI trading and also for crypto exchanges and so on, including HashHedge here. If you want to get funded, you can find it right here. Stay awesome.